Hi guys, welcome to our channel Technical University. Today I am going to discuss about how to make a PNG file in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start the videos. Welcome back dear viewers. Today I will discuss about how I can make the PNG file on Adobe Photoshop. So I have some files here, drag and drop on Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and then and this file and some file here and here, all files. So we will make the PNG file. Okay, you guys simply just click here on the layer and click here. Okay, you will click here or maybe you have press key of W on your keyboard, W. Okay, click here. Okay, you have click another shapes here. Okay, and click here, and then you have press key on delete on your keyboard like this. Okay, and click here, here and here and here. Okay, and then click and press key delete key on your keyboard. Okay, and press then control D, press press F and zoom it. Look at this shape filled by white color. So I have click here and delete, control D. Okay, then I have press key V and look this, I have make a PNG file and reduce and increase the size of this shape. Okay, and then if you have any shapes this type, you will press W and click here. Okay, so in which you can see the all shapes are selected. So I have click here and press delete. Okay, and D. Okay, D, press V. Actually I have not clicked here and unlock the shapes, unlock the layer. Okay, click it and then press here and delete. Okay, and you can see. Okay, and if you have this type image, simply you can press F key on your keyboard and click here and press here. Okay, you can see, click here. Okay, and click here, here and click and here. Okay, you have press control shift I and copy paste. Look at this layer, control Z, copy paste. Okay, and click here, you have removed this layer and press V. Look at this, you have made a PNG file very easily with the use of tool of W. This tool name is magic tool. Okay, this tool name is magic tool. So if you have this type shape, you have press F key on your keyboard and click here on the layer of layer. You can see this layer is locked. Click here. If you not click on layer, then simply you have press F and press control A. Look this, and drag and drop any layer. So you have press W and click here and press delete. Okay, press control D, you you have disconnect the path of layer. Click here, here and here. Okay, delete. Control D. Press V. You can see it. You can make a PNG file in Adobe Photoshop very easily. I hope you will understand. I will try to my best to understand you can how to make a PNG file in Adobe Photoshop. Take care. Allah Hafiz.